Alright, yo guys, today we got an unboxing. See what's in here.
I'm gonna use my bike tool just to open it up.
I could fit in here, I reckon. I'll give it a go. See what's in this bad boy. I don't know why I'm doing that, like not doing nothing. Right.
No.
What'd you get out?
I got the bottle open. That's it.
You not fucking seal.
Okay, I'll just go down.
What a dickhead.
Down the side.
It's so nuts. I
Such a
would
nice
have
unboxing. Should have done Fox.
Oh, it's mad.
So, this is the 21-inch iMac. I don't know. Do you want to say anything about it?
Well, you've got it,
Yeah, it's the same, basically the same one as mine.
but it's the family one.
Just use the handles.
Alright, cardboard box gone.
We're gonna try and put it in.
Madness.
Okay, so, yep. So
Oh,
satisfying.
sounded nice. Keyboard.
Probably the Magic Mouse too. Same one as
Here's
mine.
them out. Nah, the struggle, right? When my GoPro is out of battery and I need to charge my phone as well.
Yeah.
And now I've got both.
That can charge the keyboard and mouse too.
Oh, fuck that. I'm charging my GoPro on my phone. What's these?
That's like a cloth. And yeah. I don't know what I can see, but
Wait.
Luke, pull the foam off the top. Careful, right. Yeah. The power cable there.
Oh shit! Oh, that was my heel, man. Oh.
Alright, thanks for watching. Can't wait to start using it.
We'll start soon.
Yeah. Sick.
Woo! Hey, cracks, man, I'm doing like rings in the urine.
No.
Huh?
Nah.
I know. Oh, I just hit the water without like hitting the rim. Oh no, there's a little dribble on the floor. Ooh. Yeah, wipe that up. Oh no! Fuck your mum. I hate you so much. Go away. Already close, man. Jesus! Nah, man, already, man. Alright, put the light on. Yeah, I can hear something walking.